Hello everyone. It is a pleasure to introduce the Unicorn AI Data Manager, or UADM. Positioned as the essential gateway layer for Microsoft Fabric, UADM is built to solve the complex challenges of data management. We focus on three key pillars: centralizing access control, enforcing real-time governance, and unlocking secure external sharing. Today I will show you how UADM provides the security and control your enterprise needs to scale with confidence. Microsoft Fabric is an incredibly powerful engine, there's no doubt about that. But for an enterprise, power isn't enough. You need precision control. Currently, there are three areas where the out-of-the-box engine needs more tuning. First, security. We need to go beyond workspace levels and get more granular. Second, visibility. We need to eliminate blind spots in our logs to see exactly what's happening. And third, access. We need to break down the barriers for external sharing. Let's look at how we can add this missing layer of control to your data engine. Next, I'd like to introduce the centralized command center. Greater than here, UADM operates as an intelligent proxy layer. Think of it as your digital gatekeeper. Before any request from your systems touches your data in Microsoft Fabric, UADM validates it through our access control and audit engines. What makes this truly powerful is our dual connection strategy. We use user delegation for flexibility in development, and Azure Managed Identity for maximum security in production. With UADM, you get full control without sacrificing speed. Now let's look at our dual authentication architecture. To balance security with agility, we've separated access into two distinct flows. First, for our internal enterprise users, we use Azure AD via JWT. This ensures a seamless single sign-on experience for our IT and analysts, while maintaining strict role-based access control. Second, for external systems, we utilize UADM API keys. This allows for direct data access without the overhead of AD. It's built on high-level AES 256 encryption and protected by strict control mechanisms like IP whitelisting and rate limiting. Ultimately, this unified access model ensures our ecosystem is both highly secure and incredibly easy to integrate with. To ensure our data remains secure and relevant, we use what we call the 4D typed data scope. Instead of broad access, we filter data through four critical dimensions: data source, domain, layer, and tag. The rule is simple. Access is granted strictly at the table level. If the scope doesn't match, the data effectively doesn't exist for that user. This zero-trust approach ensures that everyone sees exactly what they need, and nothing they don't. This is where our data catalog truly shines. We've designed it to be the single source of truth for the entire organization. As you can see, it's fully bilingual, making it accessible for everyone. On the left, contextual discovery ensures you only see what's relevant to your role. On the right, we've simplified the technical side. Relationship mapping guides you through complex data joins, while Markdown Sync keeps everything updated effortlessly. Ultimately, we're not just managing data, we're making it speak the language of your business. We understand that speed is key, but moving fast shouldn't mean breaking things. With our interactive SQL, your developers can work quickly against Fabric with zero destructive risk. We've essentially built a safety bubble around your data using three critical layers. First, keyword blocking. It automatically intercepts and stops dangerous commands like drop or truncate before they can do any damage. Second, table whitelisting. This ensures users stay strictly within their authorized scope. And third, auto-limiting. It prevents accidental system overloads by capping extractions at 10,000 rows. It's the perfect balance. Your team gets the freedom to explore data, while you get the peace of mind that your database is 100% safe. Next, let's talk about total visibility. We ensure you never miss a beat with two core features. First, our per-request audit logging captures every single API call, tracking identity, response time, and status, all without slowing down your system. Second, with drift detection, we take snapshots of your workspace to instantly flag any changes in row counts or schema. It's about having a permanent record and total control over your data environment. We've all seen it before. Your Fabric pipeline shows a successful run, but the data is still outdated. That's because a successful process doesn't always guarantee fresh data. It might just be loading old source files. That is where UADM comes in. Instead of just trusting the status light, it physically queries the target tables to verify the actual timestamp. You can set your own rules. For instance, marking data as stale if it's older than 24 hours. This way, any outdated assets surface immediately, ensuring that the insights you provide are always based on the most current data available. Data pipelines can be complex, and when something breaks, time is of the essence. That's where our cross-pipeline data lineage comes in. Think of it as a GPS for your data. To the left, we have forward impact analysis. This is our quote early warning system. If a source like SQLMI goes down, we don't have to guess. We know exactly which downstream tables are at risk before the issue even hits. To the right, we have backward reverse lookup. If you spot an error in your AI analytics, this acts like a magnifying glass. It allows you to trace any data point back to its origin and pinpoint the exact activity that brought it there. Ultimately, this is about moving from reacting to problems to mastering our data, ensuring everything stays reliable and transparent at every step. Next, let's look at our external data API. We've made integration seamless by using a single API key, removing the usual technical hurdles. But simplicity doesn't compromise safety. Every query must survive this 5-layer security gauntlet, 5 rigorous checks that protect your enterprise data at every step. It's fast, it's simple, and above all, it's secure. Moving on to the enterprise differential. While the standard Fabric portal offers a great start, adding UADM is what makes it truly enterprise-grade. The key shift here is from general to granular. Instead of basic workspace access, we provide table-level control. We've simplified security with secure API keys and added a safety net with automated sandboxing for queries. Ultimately, UADM gives you the deep visibility and data verification that standard pipelines simply can't match. It's about moving from just having data to having governed, reliable data. To wrap things up, we look forward to the possibility of working together and bringing these tech integrations to life. All our contact details, including our office location and digital channels, are displayed here for your convenience. Feel free to reach out to us anytime through the platform that works best for you. Thank you for your time today.